Hello, I'm the CDO. I must create a data-driven utopia of interoperability where insights flow freely from workflow to edge across integrated ecosystems. And I have to fix the quarterly reports. Let's give a call to IT and see how they're doing. We'll patch them in.
It's the ITB here.
Hello, IT. What do we need to create my data-driven utopia of interoperability and fix the quarterly reports?
Our resources are devoted to the metadata content and analytics graph hub fabric mesh to enable the operational infrastructure scaling of the digital transformation.
I thought I was good at buzzwords.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. And we have to fix the quarterly reports.
You should be a gilly.
A gilly?
Yes, a gilly. A-G-I-L. Look in Wikipedia. Look under Agile.
Let me check with the head of the tiger team.
I'm sure we could scrum something up.
Here's what they've got. Soap. Yawn. Rest.
I'm ready for a bath, a sweater, and a nap.
Python. Panda. Bark. Whoa, whoa, dangerous. Hadoop.
That was a cluster.
Hive. Oh, look at that. That's just wrong.
Really awkward.
You need to leave now. You're making me uncomfortable. What else you got down there? Kafka. JSON. A lot of JSON. Squirrel. SQL. NoSQL. And what's a pirate's favorite programming language?
Arr.
And the latest, greatest, and buzziest.
Oh, does that go with the pirate?
No, it doesn't have anything to do with the pirate.
But it's a ship.
Try this then. See if you can sound it out.
Burnett eyes.
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes!
One more thing.
Toilet paper?
After all that integration, we're gonna have to clean up our back end.
Now, what about the data?
The data?
I don't have the data.
Yeah, what about the data?
The data?
Why would I have anything to do with data?
Your IT!
It's information technology. You're the CDO.
CDO is Chief Dog Officer. The business has the data.
The business has it.
Sorry I'm late for the call. I'm a little dizzy from our customer 360. What about the data? It's the new oil.
I thought you had the data.
I don't have the data. I'm the business. Let's go fix the quarterly reports. After you fix the quarterly reports, can we start monetizing our big data? Wow. If it's so big, how come I can't see it?
What about my analytics graph hub fabric mesh?
Stop with the buzzwords.
That stings.
I don't have any data.
Kubernetes!
Now what do we do?
I don't
Why
have
is
any
everybody
data.
always coming
Why
to
would
me
I have
with
no
data?
data?
Does that sound like your organization? This has been a puppet service announcement from me, Scott Taylor, the Data Whisperer. Don't let the tech talk dominate your data conversations, and do what master data lovers everywhere are doing and give proper data management the strategic focus and importance it deserves. And who knows, maybe all your buzzword dreams will come true. Put your data to work. Isn't that right, gang?
Put your data to work.
The D stands for dog? I didn't know that.
Arr!